You may have heard about responsive web design or mobile-friendly web design. Years ago, we created mobile-friendly websites by creating a separate mobile website, a separate mobile version of your website to be used on mobile phones.
Responsiveness is a functionality to display your website in a different mobile device. Mobile device, I mean by tablet, by cell phone, and in a different platform too. It can be an Android platform, it can be an Apple platform, or a Windows platform. You need to display your website in a good way for your clients. So responsiveness functionality really means to display your website in not a boring way that you have to scroll left and right and zoom in and zoom out. You want to show your website in a top level functionality and a user-friendly functionality too.
And a responsive website simply means that the content on your website automatically reformats to fit the device that's requesting it. That means that on your mobile phone, your website looks much more like an application than it does something you need to scroll around with. It means on a tablet that your website comes up sized appropriately and works and is easy to use. And it means that on a widescreen monitor on your desktop, instead of having a narrow band down the middle, that your website fills that display and becomes much more visually immersive. Probably the most important part about responsive design, in addition to the fact that it allows people in your target audience to view your website on any device, is the fact that Google now uses that responsive design as one of the factors in determining how they rank your website. In other words, if your website is not responsive, Google will penalize you for it. Why? Very simply, Google wants to deliver the best possible results to its users based on the things that they're querying in its search bar. And that Google knows that those consumers need to be able to review that data in a manner that is easy and simple to use. If your website isn't responsive, it's not easy to use, and Google will penalize you for it. If you'd like to learn more about responsive design, check out our other videos on responsive web design, or feel free to give us a call and we'll demonstrate it to you firsthand and how important it is to both you and your audience.